Hello dear student, my name is Diana Leon. In this opportunity I want to present Task 5 Materials and Lesson Planning for the course Teaching English to Adolescents and Adults. For the lesson plan 2, skills to develop speaking and listening. Institution, Escuela General Santander. It is a public institution. The topic for this lesson is past simple of verb to be. The general objective for this activity seeks to exchange information to develop skills to speak and listening in an active, dynamic, and worldwide. Specific objectives: to learn and understand the past simple of the verb to be, to understand the grammar structure of the verb to be, to understand the correct use of the past, the verb to be, to reinforce knowledge of grammar and spelling, to reinforce communication and socialization skills, resource or materials, board, support text, notebooks, computer and internet. Lesson time 16 minutes. Warm up 10 minutes. In this first moment of the class, it is a space to break ice with the students, practicing some greetings and phrase items, and allowing the students to feel cramped and relaxed to start the activities. The activity 1, so 15 minutes, new vocabulary, speaking and listening ability. There will be a presentation by the teacher of the verb to be in the past, its use, its correct grammar, and then the presentation of the video will be made to support the topic. Practice 20 minutes. After the explanation, we give way to more dynamic activities and a space for student participation. To imagine, a student must describe in the past to be the activity that is perceived in the image. The student who accumulates the most points will obtain the benefit of recognition in the grades. Finally, each student will construct a sentence, use the verb to be, and expose it to their classmates. For activity 2, 50 minutes, speaking and listening ability. At the end of the activity, the teacher analyzes the activities carried out and the performance of the student. Each activity will be evaluated based on knowing the failures and strengths demonstrated in the wrote word. The homework, the student develops exercise 1 annexed in the guide. Evaluation rubric, lesson plan, we will have a 120 final score with different aspects: individual participation, activity 1, activity 2, and homework. The exercise 1 is with 2 points. The first is complete with is, are, was, or were in the sentence, and the 2 is answer the following questions. Thank you.